Let's say you've got people working shift patterns, and if they start after 6 o'clock in the morning, you want that to be morning. If they start after 3 p.m, afternoon. If they start after 11 p.m, night. How do you best do that in Power Query? So multiple ifs. I'll show you two techniques, including an approximate match using Power Query. It's pretty crazy. Let's go. So here's my information. I've got the time people started. Here's my little business rules about whether it's a night shift or a morning shift. I've set that up already. I'll show you how I did it. But ultimately, right click, refresh, and it categorizes these people into night shifts, morning shifts, afternoon shifts. Okay, so how do we do it? We'll do it two ways. One is like a nested if, but built in a more sensible way. And the other way is using an append, an approximate match, which is a bit of a crazy technique, but it works beautifully. So over here, I've got a little table that says, hey, these are the shifts. It's like doing an approximate VLOOKUP type thing. It's pretty cool. I'll show you in a second. Right, so let's just do the first basic one. A better way of writing a nested if you like. So I'm going to right click, get data from table/range. Okay, so here we go. There's my data. The first thing I need to do is just change this into a time. So change this into a time and replace current. Awesome. Okay, when you're doing simple ifs, if something's greater than this, or if something's less than that, or if something, and so on, you can just use the add column, conditional column button. Okay, that gives you a little wizard to do greater than, less thans, if a piece of text contains something. It's really good. But when you get a bit more advanced, or you're trying to do something more technical like time, you really need to get into the custom column. Okay, so custom column button, and we'll call that custom column shift. Right, so I'm going to write a nested if with like if the time started is less than or greater than 11 p.m. or earlier than 6 a.m, that's a night shift. If it's less than 3 p.m. and so on. So I'm going to actually parameterize this. If you've ever written any DAX and you've used the var for writing DAX, again, if you haven't, don't worry. But if you have, it's the same sort of concept. So in Power Query, you can actually, within a column, write like another little subroutine using let, okay? And then at the end, in, okay? So I'm going to write everything in between here. And I'm actually going to parameterize and actually give sort of labels to certain elements. So start time, st, okay, equals. And then it's just double click on time started. Now you can just write a long if statement with all these things in, but I like doing it this way. It really neatens things up, okay? So st, time started. Let's add the rules, the logic, okay? So night start equals. Now, I want to turn some text that I'm going to do into actually a time. So there's time, there we go, time from text. Okay, so time from text. So the night shift starts at 11 p.m. Okay, close the bracket. Awesome. Then I'm going to just copy this. So Control C, paste it 3 times, and just change this to morning start. And the Australian slang for afternoon, arvo start, just to save me typing the word afternoon. So the morning goes up until, or starts from 6 a.m. and the afternoon shift goes from 3 p.m. So that's my parameters set up. And then my result, or you can call this whatever you want, but result equals, okay, and then I write my formula. And at the end, okay, right at the end, I will spit out the result. Okay, so if I just spit out result equals 1, check this out. If I do result equals 1 and click OK, I just get 1, right? Because that's what I'm saying. I'm spitting out the result of this, whatever the formula is I do here. Okay, so here I write my if. So if the start time, ST, okay, is greater than or equal to the night shift start, so let's go night start. And the nice thing about parameterizing it is it pops up then in the IntelliSense. Or start time is less than, so it starts before the morning shift begins. So morning start, then that is the night shift. Okay, see where I'm going with this? Else, space, shift. If the start time is less than the ARVO start, okay, then that must be morning, okay, else afternoon. Okay, so when you've got this, I've got a token error expected. It means I've missed a comma out. So where have I missed my comma? Result equals 1. Well, that's a bit silly. There we go. I've got rid of that. So result equals here. I've got no tick. Beautiful. Click OK. And there we have it. Beautiful. Okay, click on the ABC 1, 2, 3. Change it to text. Awesome. And then we can just load that. All right. You go home, close and load to, and load it to a table. All right. But I'm just going to go close and load for now. I've got it saved as a connection as my default. And that's how I created that little table. Okay, let me show the other way, the way with using an approximate match in Power Query. This is awesome, right? So over here, I've got this little table with what the times are, the start times, and what they mean, okay? And I've started it from 12 a.m., so first thing in the morning. That's the night shift up until 6 a.m. So right click, okay, get data from table/range, and let's just load this table up. All right, and I'm just going to go back to my table shifts and right click and duplicate it, just so I've got a starting point, and I'm going to delete that little custom column. So this was where I started before, okay? And this is my shift start times. I'm going to change that to a time. Okay. So there we go. Now this is the magic bit. Check this out. Make sure this column matches this column. So I'm going to rename this as time started. And then I'm going to go to this table. This is my when people started and their names. I'm going to append that other table. Okay, that's a bit weird. So we'll go up here, append queries. And look, let's append it. I could even append as new if I wanted to, or I could append onto this one. Let's append onto this one. So append queries. And what I want to append, well, the shift start times table. And I click OK. So here we go. We've got this appended list. And this is the magic bit, okay? You can actually sort the order of this. So sort ascending. Okay, so 12 a.m. was the night shift. 6 a.m. was the morning shift. And then you right click and you fill down. Okay, so fill down. Done. How cool's that? I think I first saw that technique from Oz. Excel on Fire, Oz de Soleil. Check out his YouTube channel. Lots of Power Query stuff. And then you can basically just filter out the nulls from here. So you can go, I don't want the nulls. And it's the same answer. All right, so that's the other way of doing it without that big nested if. Hope you find that useful. Let me know what you think. I love having your comments, love giving you feedback. Always check out the description in case sometimes people suggest better ways and I put that in the description. So, hope you enjoy. Catch you in the next video.